I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a payment decline on the Lyft app, follow these steps to get back on the road. Step 1. Check your payment method. Open the Lyft app and navigate to your payment settings. Ensure that your credit card or payment method is valid and has not expired. Step 2. Update payment information. If your card is expired or incorrect, update your payment information. Enter the correct card details and save the changes. Step 3. Check for sufficient funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SRCOM link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Review Lyft app permissions. Sometimes the app may not function properly if it lacks necessary permissions. Go to your phone settings and ensure the Lyft app has access to your location and payment settings. Step 5. Contact Lyft support. If you've tried all the above steps and still face issues, reach out to Lyft support through the app. They can provide specific assistance for your payment decline. Remember, sometimes a simple app restart can also help resolve temporary glitches. Good luck, and I hope you read back to writing in no time.